Ayan. So again, good morning everyone. So your topic for the unit 2 is the physical fitness and testing. So what is physical fitness? So physical fitness is the combination of medical fitness and a dynamic fitness free from disease and can move and perform efficiently. Good health nor physical proficiency, readily apparent in athletic contests. Good performance requires self-discipline, effective teamwork. So, yun po, physical fitness is um, medical. Why medical fitness? Kasi marami po siyang sakit na marami pong sakit. Okay, it can prevent diseases na meron po tayo. So, medical fitness and dynamic fitness usually go together, but it is possible to possess one without another. So, primary specific objective in teaching physical education, PE teacher should have correct concept of physical fitness. Physical fitness is the ability of an individual to perform one's daily activities. So, with extra reserve in case of emergency. So, importance of physical fitness, minimize stress. Yan, nakakatanggal ng stress. Minimize stress response, maintain proper body weight, prevent heart ailment, improve organic function, delay the aging process, feel good and younger as a human being, experience joy of participation in any recreational sports activity. So sa principles of physical fitness, we have physical fitness and personal responsibility. So what are our responsibility when it comes to physical fitness? Health habits that aid physical fitness include getting enough sleep. So dapat 8 pa lang ng gabi, tulog na tayo. At po, dapat kasi po, natutulog tayo 8 hours. Eating properly, receiving regular medical and dental care, maintaining personal cleanliness. So a person level of physical fitness depends largely on how frequently and intensively he or she exercises. So specific components of physical fitness, we have the organic vigor, referred to the soundness of the heart and lungs. Endurance, ability to sustain long, contain contraction where a number of muscle groups are used. Strength, lakas, the capacity to sustain the application of force. Power refers to the ability of the muscles, and flexibility is the quality of plasticity and which give the ability to arrange or rearrange of movement. Next, the agility, ability that the individual change direction or position. Balance, we know how to balance when it comes to control the organic equipment of neuromuscularly. Speed, gaano kabilis. Successive movements of the same kind of shortest period of time, and coordination, ability to integrate the body parts to produce smooth motion. So physical wellness, positive state well-being and capacity of an individual. So, develop po ang physical fitness test nung battery of physical fitness test which was adapted for Filipino. So, the objective of physical education in the school system from grade 1 to college is to improve the physical fitness level of the student. So, physical battery test fitness. So, safety guidelines. Ano yung mga guidelines? Review medical consideration. Dapat, ang pwede lang po kasing gumawa niyan is yung talagang walang mga sakit. Or kung meron man tayong dapat, kumbaga, dapat isa lang alang at may sakit tayo. So, kailangan nyo pong magpakita ng mga medical certificate na meron tayo. And then, sabi nga, students should not take their test if not feeling well or suffering from infection. Kapag may lagnat, yan, hindi po talaga pwede yan. Warm up 5 to 10 minutes before the physical fitness test. So magwa-warm up muna tayo. Students should not take heavy meals for 2 hours before the test. Student wear physical education attire. Dapat nakapampi po tayo. Before the taking test, the student must contain their pulse rate. Their initial pulse rate must be more than 120 beats per minute. Next. So, ito yung test items natin. Ito yung gagawin ninyo, ha? So, standing long jump, bending curls up, 50 meter sprint, regular push-up meals, knee push-up meal, shuttle run, sit and reach, 100 meter run, 3-minute step test. So, we have the standing long jump. Ano yung sabi sa standing long jump? So, sa standing long jump po, we have, pag sinabi standing long jump, kung saan lang po tayo, kumbaga ay may 1 meter, and then tatalon lang po tayo. So, sa bawat 5 talon po ang gagawin na, sa bawat 5 talon, dapat sisigunduhan nyo po yun. Kasi, kailangan nyo po yung second sa computation. Ano po? Next, bend knee curls up. Ganyan po ang bend knee curls up. So, rules, only one trial should be allowed. No resting between curl. The knee must remain bent. The curl shall be counted only if the performer keeps the crossed arm close to his chest. Yun po ang gagawin natin. So, gagawin nyo po yan ng 16 counts. So, 16 counts o 16 seconds. So, 50-meter sprint. So, sa 50-meter sprint po, tatakbo kayo. That is 5 ikot. Kapag yan po ay, kumbaga ay isang oval, 5 ikot po ang gagawin natin. Kung hindi naman po ganun kalaki. Ano po, basta 50-meter sprint lang siya. So, sa regular push-up for meals, ganyan po ang gagawin natin. Sa lalaki, sa knee push-up po ay yung tuhod ng mga girls ang nakaano po sa floor. Sa shuttle run po, may 2 dingding. So, 10 balik nun. So, dun po sa 10 balik nun, dapat uurasan nyo rin po ang segundo, ha? Hindi pwedeng wala oras. Next, sit and reach. Yan, walang din nakalagay na sit and reach. Lalagyan din po na segundo kung paano nyo gagawin yan. 1,000 meter run, 1,000 meter run when it comes to oval, kung hindi ganun kalaki, 10 ikot po. So, seconds din po kayo sa 10 ikot na yon. Sa 3 minutes step test, yan po ay gagawin nyo na 3 minuto or 90 seconds. So, dapat po may hagdan and mabilis po ang akyat ng paa. The computation for our activity. So, we have physical efficiency index o PEI. So, unang-una, duration of exercises in seconds. That's why sabi ko kanina, lahat ng exercise na gagawin nyo is naka-seconds. Kasi ito times nyo sa 100 yon. Divided by, kapag nagawa nyo na yung activity, magpa-pulse rate kayo within 90 seconds. Kung ilan ang bilang nun, so 5.5 times, halimbawa ay ilan ang bilang ng count ng pulso ninyo. So, yun yung ita-times ninyo, yun yung sagot. Then, yung sagot doon, we have the, halimbawa, 150 times 100, 90 seconds times 100. So, 900 yun, divided by, halimbawa ay 5.5 times 150 po yung count. So, 900 divided by 150, sa count ng pulse nyo in 90 seconds, so divided by 150, so ang sagot doon, halimbawa, is 42.71. So, yun po yung sagot ninyo in every activity. Maliwanag po yun. So, yun lang po when it comes to your exercises. So, for your activity, for face-to-face classes, perform the different physical fitness tests and submit the computation in every physical fitness test. When it comes to for online class, please create a video performing different physical fitness tests, and for every physical fitness test, please do the computation required. Again, please do the video individually. Maliwanag po yan, and please send it to our Telegram. So, yun lamang po, and maraming thank you. See you again po.